Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at SMS Design Performance with the lift kit for the Ram that's behind me. Casper is driving. We need to move everything out of the way, see if we can get it on the lift. It's gonna be close, but if you want to see the lift kit, it's right here. Here's everything that you need to lift it up. So you got the spacers up there, everything to keep all your axles in place. Also stuff like, you know, moving the brake lines around and relocating all of that stuff. All of the brackets are here. The Fox 2.0 shock. So you can choose this kit with their standard BDS shocks. This is a BDS kit. I don't know if I said that or not. 4-inch. So these are the upgrade for like extra $200 or something. Those go in the back. There are no shocks for the front because the shocks in the front in an air suspension lifted Ram are actually embedded kind of in the bag. So they're like a bag over or bag inner, bag something.
Brakes, I have to remove everything. Let me see. Maybe something, you know, not easy, something easy. How I know? I have to see.
But you're supposed to know.
No.
You're supposed to know.
So many cars. It's so mixing here. So.
This is not hair color, by the way. This is paprika red. Yeah. This is because of
every time I come here, you have a different haircut. Every time
Next
different.
time I will give the same.
like me.
Yeah, blonde.
Maybe cut our shape 3-inch. Okay. And here we make a new hole for both sides. No, not easy, but we can do that.
Yeah, okay, all right. You give me confidence. Yes. So the guys need to move some cars out of the way. Yo, what's up, man? How's it going, brother? The black Gran Torino, black on black on black. So, yeah. Gonna get a truck on the lift. This is gonna be a two-part episode, so make sure to subscribe right now so you don't miss when the lift kit goes on the truck and we drive out. And after that, we'll definitely be doing some off-roading and give a review if it was worth it. Yes. Just in case you guys want to know about the wheel and tire setup, you can check out a video. I'll put a link in the description so you can see what tires they are, what wheels they are, what offset they are, what size they are, and all of that, as well as what we had to do to trimming, because I get this question asked a lot, and I just want to, you know, I just don't want every video to be about the offset. Why are you so happy? This is, oh, I always get freaking nervous when you do it.
Okay, can I do the commentary? You know, I'll walk around showing your viewers what's up, what's going on. Hi YouTube. Today we have a 1500 Ram. It's a Ram Ripper. It's grey. Has big wheels. Has nice lights. Big tow hook in the back. See? Big. Shut up, bitch. And if that's not enough for you, you know, if this, you see here, see, if that doesn't satisfy your ego and you still have a small dick syndrome, that's what you need. Lift kit. Make it even bigger, more aggressive. I like it that way.
So as Majid has explained, when you get a truck, your penis gets a little bit smaller. When you put it on big tires, and he's judging this now. When you put it on big tires, it gets a little bit smaller. And when you lift it, it just like disappears. So like it's gone, it's inverted. Had to put the truck in nose first.
70-30 weight distribution.
Every time we have to put like a 4-door truck, we do it this way because the nose is shorter than the bed, you know?
Weight distribution as well, right?
Yeah, but more than that, just no space in the back. You can tell the lift is straining.
Goddamn, it's a Friday.
What?
You haven't lifted these up. They are heavy as hell.
So how do they drive? Nice with these tires?
Really good. We're shocked.
Good, but like it needs a lift because it's like bumpy.
Vibration, no?
It's not that bad.
I don't know because I've never like this is like a mud tire, you know, so there's always gonna be.
I've driven many other mud tires. I'm shocked by how comfortable this is. And they're a bit soft as well, so they're not really closed on cat eyes. They're really nice.
You know how much they cost in the US?
These?
$170 per tire.
These ones?
Yes.
How about here?
400 dinars for 5.
About the same price.
Yeah. A set of 5 costs less than the shipping from the US. I wanted to get a hybrid tire.
No, this looks good on the truck. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
But like
No,
like if you let's say you want to go to Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, but that's why I wanted to get a hybrid tire. So hybrid is like between an all-terrain and a mud terrain, but they're
As nice as this.
But
they're really aggressive.
Nice designs.
Yeah. Like the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, they look
If we have
really
to do
cool.
Dubai trips, you
But-
cannot be telling me that Casper swap out the wheels. We're going
No, not the wheels, just change the tires.
You should have a trailer if you're hauling stuff, like if you're going, like a small trailer, 2 tires, and put those in it and your tools and everything, and
That's the plan.
put the stock ones in.
Well, we have a 5th wheel, so if anything happens, we're good.
All right, so the truck's on the lift, the parts are here, the guys are looking through the instructions, and we're gonna be heading out. So thank you so much for joining and watching this episode. I hope you liked it. We'll be definitely coming back with the end result and taking the truck off-road, as I mentioned earlier. That's gonna be a hell of a lot of fun, and then I'll be reviewing the kit as a whole. I've only heard good stuff about BDS. Let me know what you think of their stuff if you've used them before. And that's it from me. Have a great day. Take care.